Do you often get confused in asking questions? The questions are always asked either by using the words when, where, why, who, and what. In order to use these words appropriately, you should know their meanings and purpose in English. Why is used to describe the reason or motivation for the action to take place. Why is it happening? It is asked to know the cause or reason for which we know why you did it. Like for what reason you're watching my video. Because you want to learn English. Where describes a location that the action is taking place. We use where as a conjunction meaning in the place that or in situations that. Where is it happening? You use where to ask questions about the place something or someone is in, or is coming from or going to. Like where are you going? Where is your college? Where would you spend vacations? When describes a date or time that the action takes place. We use when to mean at the time that. We use since to refer to a particular time in the past until another time or until now. It means during which time. Like you ask your friends when they'll come or when the birthday party going to happen. What describes the subject of the writing if it is an object, or describes an action carried out by the subject? What is the story about? What is the person doing? You say what? When you ask someone to repeat the thing that they have just said because you did not hear or understand it properly. Who describes the subject of the writing if it is a person? Who is it about? Also, we use who as a relative pronoun to introduce a relative clause about people. The police officer who came was a friend of my father's.